Hey guys, it's Disney Dog Girl with another fidget review video. So I got a couple different fidgets from Amazon, and I'll show you what I got. So first, well, these are old, and these are old. So first thing I got is from the brand Clixies. They're just little collectible things that click. Definitely going on my birthday and Christmas list. I will say it's hard to snap them in. But they really make clicking sounds. Now, and then I got silicone fidget sliders. They're different tactiles. Like this one's bumpy. Like if you have like a pain stem. This is bumpy. And then this side is like Minecraft, sort of. I love the resistance from this. And then this one's like water. This one's like the hard pain stem if you're into the hard pain stems. These were all off Amazon. Oh, yes. And I ended up getting a morph from the actual brand Morph. I suggest if you like morphs, if you like worm fidgets, Morph worm, I would only get this brand. Because this one's got a little bit more bounce to it than if you get like a different one. But this is definitely an Amazon purchase. This is the small one. This is a small one. There's a one that was $17. But I'm only going to go with the Morph brand. And then these are fun little fidgets. And you just can move them around. And you could just move them around. I have 3 of these. And then I heard terrible reviews about these. But these are just more sensory things. I know Christmas is coming up, and I know there's stocking ideas. I like this one because of the suction cups. And then I got these. These are pea pods by Lasom. And people say they're not good spinners, but I can pretty much spin them. Because basically you can roll them on your finger. And then I got different switch buttons. This one has a circular thing, and then like you can move it one-handed. Like it's just least tag of resistance. But be careful, there's a bigger one that's 3D printed. This is not 3D printed, this one. Oh, here's another one of the pea pads. I don't know why people have been giving these a bad review. I actually can spin them. So I don't know what people are giving them bad reviews for. Like I said, I have 3 of these. I got the 3-pack. There's a 5-pack, but these are the ones I got. Oops, the 3-pack. And then I got 2 types of fidget spinners. This one's from Antsy Lab. This is a silent one. And it's got watermelon on it, which is my favorite fruit. And then this is the one that, like, I didn't think was going to work as well as that one. I have many Antsy Lab fidget spinners, but this one's a silicone fidget spinner. And it actually spins really good. But that's my fidget haul. The next fidget haul will be after the holidays. Keep being neurodivergent for some of my viewers. And thank you from Disney Dog Girl.